Now let's start by cloning a project. So you can clone the Enatega backend API. So this is actually the proprietary project. So you will be granted access. Once you have the access to it, you can just go to the link and follow the instructions to clone the project. Now use the SSH because we have configured the SSH. You can copy the link and then type git clone and that paste the link and press enter, and this will actually clone the whole project for you, and then you can actually work with it. It's cloning and downloading all the required files. It may ask you to provide the password, and you have to type the password that you selected when we were generating the SSH key, I mean the passphrase, and that is why I told you to keep that password safe somewhere, right? Since I've already done it multiple times, it did not ask me it did not ask for the password, but in your case it may ask, so just make sure that you keep that password safe. Now the project has been cloned. Now what we can do, we can clear the screen and type ls to see the project and code dot to open up the project in VS Code. Now backend API project has been opened in the VS Code. We have all the files over here. Now the next step, let's see what we have. The next step, we have to create an environment variable, an environment file to keep our environments over there. You can just create a new file using the tool above and then create .env file. Now scroll down a little bit and then we have some of the uh, environment variables. Just copy that and paste it over here. And we have multiple environment variable that we need to create somehow, and we'll take care of them in the next couple of videos. But we have the connection string for the database, we have like the server URL, the backend URL, and then the dashboard URL and the web URL, and we'll talk about these different environment variables when we generate those keys.